Was America really free in 1776? Everyone believes that America became free on July 4, 1776. It is taught in schools, it is celebrated with fireworks. What here is the uncomfortable questions: was America really free in 1776? Because the truth is more complicated than we are told. In 1776, the American colonies signed a document called the Declaration of Independence. This document clearly stated that the colonies no longer wanted to live under British rule. But a declaration is not the same as freedom at that exact moment. British soldiers were still controlling large part of America. The British government completely rejected the declaration and the war was far from over. So in reality, America had announced freedom but had not achieved it. From 1775 to 1783, a brutal and bloody war was fought. This war is known as the American Revolutionary War. The British Empire was one of the most powerful forces on earth. The American colonies were smaller, weaker, and poorly occupied. For years, victory looked impossible. Here is a fact most people don't talk about. Without help from France, America may never have won. France provided money, France provided weapons, France even sent soldiers and ships. This foreign support completely changed the course of the war. 7 long years passed, cities were destroyed, families were torn apart, thousands died, and finally in 1783 something important happened. The Treaty of Paris was signed. In this treaty, Britain officially recognized the United States as an independent nation. British troops withdrew, the war ended. This was the moment America truly became free. It was the day Americans said we will no longer accept control. Freedom began in the world in 1776, but it became reality only in 1783. So here is the real truth. America declared independence in 1776, but America earned independence in 1783. If you enjoy hidden history and untold truths, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for next video.